Like, seriously, they are going to be asking, is that your hair? Like, what? Oh. Okay. Y'all, I'm excited. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn. Here we are, another review, baby. And guess what? You see the thumbnail, you see the title. We are getting into XRS or Xrsbeauty. So big thank you to them for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in. I do a little bit of everything, venturing off into vlogs as well. So I definitely hope you appreciate and enjoy what you see. If you do, definitely hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get all push notifications, and of course, let's chat in the comments down below, baby. All right, let's go ahead, get into Miss Xrsbeauty, baby.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
It's not every day that you can just do a really effortless look with no part on a wig and it not look wiggy. And this right here, it does not get any more natural than this. Like, seriously, they are going to be asking, is that your hair? Big shout out to Gladys. But one thing that always surprises me about the units from Xrsbeauty is this lace. Every time they get me when they send these lace samples, because looking at the comparison, you can really tell a difference. So I think we're all accustomed to the brown lace that usually comes on units. I don't know if it's just me. Sometimes I do get a cast off, and baby, sometimes that transparent lace is clockaboo. But with this clear lace, it will never be scalp. I understand that. I think we get that. But this is probably the closest you will get to scalp. I don't even have the baby hairs kind of really gelled down too much. And I was able to, of course, adhere the sideburns, you know, or the ear tabs. No problem on this unit, baby. You are gone with the wind. Fabulous. Okay. As far as this cap fit, it is very comfortable on my head, but however, it is snug. Baby, she's hanging on by a thread. It is a little lifted in the back, if that makes sense. So I don't really have coverage at the nape of my neck, but I am getting coverage from ear to ear. You definitely want to get your head measurements. 24 inches, big dome on swole right here. And the texture on here, baby, this is probably the closest that I have come personally to a unit that mimics my natural hair. And she is definitely giving out blowout, baby. Do you see me? Do you see her? Do you see we? And the best part, as I mentioned, this is a 3-in-1 bob unit, baby. So you got the blowout, you got the sleek, and you got the curls, honey. Okay? So, got my water bottle here. I'm a little scared. Don't really want to wet it. But we're going to wet this and see what we get. I do have my blow dryer. And I also have my diffuser. I've had this for a couple of years. If I can find like a dupe, I'll have it linked to my Amazon down below. I will be using both of this. And the water bottle just has some conditioner, like 1 squirt of Humectress, and then the rest is some good old H2O, baby. So here we go.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and why.
Like what? Oh. Okay. So let's talk about the specs on the curls right now. I think they fluffed up really, really nicely. I think just with some conditioner, like I said, 1 squirt of conditioner, H2O in a spray bottle, diffuser set to low heat, high speed, and fluff to your liking. As you saw, I did toss my hair side to side. I put the heat on high and high speed. I teased the roots, and that's how I got it to fluff out. You know, if you're not with that, you can definitely do the more tamed version of this unit, but I do prefer big hair. Don't care, baby. Now, I know you are inquiring, okay, is she tax time splurgeable? And I'm here to tell you, yes. Listen, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, comes with a nice preset part for those beginners who don't like to fuss and fight over styling your units. So definitely worth the coins if you are interested in checking out the information for Miss, I'm gonna call her some Chrissy. We're gonna call her Chrissy, okay? If you are interested in checking out this unit by Xrsbeauty, definitely hit up the direct link in the description box down below, or check out their website for all of their products. You will not be disappointed. If you're interested in any of the other units that I have done on this channel, definitely check the playlist that will be in the corner. I picked them specifically for this review. With that being said, thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all push notifications. Most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. As always, ladies, keep yourself first. Keep loving on yourself. And most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you later.